all, welcome to my YouTube channel for ServiceNow hacks. Let's get started. In this video, the topic which I'm showing is, many of us may need a SysID for bulk records for anything, right? Suppose if I need a SysID for 100 incidents or 100 locations, department table, how do I download it? How do I, take all the SysIDs to Excel in one go? So that I'm going to showcase to you how we can download it. Now go to any table, whichever you want to go and take a SysID with, right? So and I have a add a particular filter. So filtering is very important so that downloading should not take much time and it should not impact performance. So when you add a filter now for these 10 records, if you want a SysID to also to be available, just go here and go to import option within the ServiceNow system. When you go to import option, the next option is update. Instead of insert, just click on update, then download this template. When you click on this update, now click on create Excel template where it export the 10 record along with all the fields and the SysID also. So this way you can just download it. Let us wait for downloading this. Now this has been downloaded. If I just open this, so if you go to page 1, you can see all the 10 records which is available. And if you come for the last section of this, you see SysID is also available, right? So this way you can export the SysID for all the table, any table. So if I, mainly we may need it for location table or department table to identify, not to have any duplication, or if you want to add location into any other table, right? Now we have 422 records in total. I'll take for particular city. So we have 3 records. If you just go to import and click on update and create a Excel template, download this. Now the location is downloaded. If you just open the location records, whatever is downloaded, go to page 1 and I'll wrap this text. If you see, the sysids are available here. In this way, you can download the sysids for multiple record, whatever you want to. And my recommendation is have a proper filter which you want to download the sysid for. And you don't need to go for sys element, add extra things, add that sysid into the list view. So, that is a very lengthy process, I would say. And this is a very easiest way. And if you want to download that for any reason or if you want sysids for any cases, just use this option. So this is a very tricky one and easy one. So that's it for this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and support. Thank you all.